On this channel, we dive deep into ways on how to level up your life, make money, and build a career you're passionate about, especially as a student or a stay-at-home mom. Now, if you're a student looking to break free from the typical college grade and start building high income skills so you can secure your future, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to share 10 high income learning skills you can learn in 2025. Skills that can set you up for massive success in the real world. Mind you, these skills aren't just trendy, they are essential for making real money. Whether you're a freelancer, taking it as a side hustle, or building a career with it. But before we go into it, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you will see this amazing channel again, because we always have amazing content and video made right just for you. Let's jump right in. Now, understanding the philosophy of money. We cannot talk about how to make money without first explaining the philosophy of money. Making money is not really about how smart you are, how hardworking you are, how your attitude is, how strong you are, how powerful you are. Philosophy of money, when it comes to making money, is neither you are selling a product or you are selling a service. It's also about learning the right skills that is in high demand, which can easily create value in the market. That's why you need to focus on these skills that build solutions to people and businesses. When it comes to a product or selling a service, we are talking about skills here. Indirectly, we are talking about services that you can learn and skills you can learn to provide for people and make money. And what's even better, you don't need to wait until you graduate before you start learning these skills. These are skills you can learn now. After if you're watching this video, sharp, you're already on it, you're already on the next video, you're already searching, you're already moving forward. That's why I'm doing this content just for you, so you can be ahead of your peers, just like I did. Number one is learn Notion. You might be wondering, what is Notion? Notion is the perfect tool for businesses for organizing tasks, projects, and notes. To learn these skills, all you just need to do is go to some YouTube channel or go to Udemy, search for Notion. If you can, these are skills they don't teach in school. These are skills you can teach yourself, and if you can master the art of Notion and how to use it very well, most companies are in need of it. With this, you can even do the consultancy job of talking to companies, going on a Zoom call. First of all, you have to do free content, or do it on some kind of company. I can do your Notion, I can set up your Notion this, and set up your business meetings, your this one, your that one. Package yourself. There's LinkedIn, write about it, show free work, do videos, do for companies for free. Before you know, you're on their paycheck, and companies can easily pay you money for it. Well, Notion is a super powerful tool for productivity, project management, and team collaboration. And guess what? It's in high demand. A lot of companies are using Notion to organize their day-to-day activity, from workflow to internal database. If you become proficient in Notion, you can help businesses streamline their daily activities and get paid. Huge. I also offer freelance Notion services to companies like consultancy and online stuff like that. Trust me, mastering Notion today can give you an edge in the digital world of productivity. Next up is digital marketing. This one is huge and only getting better. Whether it's SEO, content writing, ghostwriting, branding, ads running, content creation, email marketing. Businesses need digital marketing who can drive traffic to their site and also complete sales. If you can learn how to create an effective digital marketing strategies, you can help companies grow their internet presence and increase revenue. And plus, you can get paid very high for helping companies run their paid ads and ad budgets, and even managing ad budgets for local businesses. In 2025, this skill will be more in high demand as companies and businesses are pushing to be on the online presence and even focus more on online channels. Number two is content creation. You're already on YouTube, so you're familiar with the word content creation. In 2025, content creation is one of the most valuable skills you can have, whether it's video, blogs, podcasts, or social media posts. Businesses, influencers, and brands are always looking for talented creators to work with. If you can create engaging content, you can monetize it through ads, paid marketing, and sponsorship. Plus, many companies need content creators for their own online presence and websites. So, if you have passion for storytelling and creating visually appealing content, this is your time to shine. This is a YouTube channel that will teach you more about content creation. Three is salesmanship. When it comes to salesmanship, it's neither you sell to customers and sell to business. But wait, before you decide who you sell to, remember it's easier for a business to pay you $5,000 than for an individual to pay you $5,000. Businesses make almost millions of dollars, but the individual makes about just $100,000 a year. So choose one. Which one do you think that can pay you higher? Businesses, right? So why don't you sell to businesses than sell to individuals? Like that's why when it comes to sales, what they just tell you is easy to sell one product for $100,000 to one person than to sell 100 products for $1,000 to 100 people. So come on, this is just a little tip about sales. Now let's go back to our video. Now you might be thinking, sales, isn't that for experienced professionals? Absolutely not. Sales is a skill that everyone can learn, even you. And in 2025, it will be even more important. Whether you are selling to consumers or you are selling to businesses, ability to sell is crucial. With digital skills like CRM software and social media platforms, you can learn to close deals and build relationship with clients from anywhere in the world. This skills doesn't apply to product alone. You can see to sell services, ideas, even your own personal expertise. If you can master sales, you can build a sustainable income no matter which industry or sector you find yourself in. This is a YouTube channel that talks more about sales and which you can learn from. Number four is content writing, copywriting, or ghostwriting. If you have your way with words, writing is one of the most recruitive skills you can develop. From writing blog posts, social media caption, and email newsletters to creating persuasive sales page, or even ghostwriting for authors, there is a huge market for skilled writers. Copywriters in particular can earn high rates because businesses are always looking for compiling copy that converts. By 2025, as more companies move online, the demand for good skills writers will be on the high and will continue to skyrocket. So see why it's a good skill to learn. This is one of the YouTube channels that talks about copywriting, ghostwriting, how to apply, where you can get your gigs. So watch it and learn. Number five is grow a page or brand. If you have got talent for social media and branding, to be your golden ticket. In 2025, every business needs a strong online brand and presence. If you can grow a popular Instagram, YouTube, TikTok channel, you could monetize it through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. If you prefer working with businesses, you can help them grow their channel. 2. Grow their social media presence, campaign ads, and build an engaged community around their products. Brands are willing to pay for the right person to manage and grow their online presence. So get ready to leverage your skills. Now, this is a YouTube channel that talks to you about building your brand on your personal business page or to build your brand. Number 7 is designer, graphic designer, product designer, UI UX. If you have a creative mind, an eye for artistic, designing is a skill that can bring in massive money. Graphic design is essential for creating materials, marketing materials, websites, and branding. Product design is key for companies that create physical products, and UI UX design is critical for companies that develop apps and websites. By 2025, design will be more important than ever because companies know their user experience and good visual drive conversion. Number 8 is web design and Webflow design. Specifically, learning Webflow design. Websites are the foundation of most businesses, and skilled web designers are always in high demand. Webflow allows designers to create responsive, visually stunning websites without needing to know complex coding. Whether you build websites for small businesses, startups, or large enterprises, web design is a high income skill that can create money and provide freelancers with opportunities. And here is a YouTube channel which you can learn web design and Webflow to master the art and also grow. Coming at number 9 is coding. Coding is a skill that will never go out of sight or demand. The tech industries are booming, so companies are always in search and need of programmers or developers. Start by learning languages like Python, JavaScript, or even niche skills like mobile app development. So by 2025, the demand for coders continue to grow as more industries are embracing technology. And trust me, this is one of the highest paying skills in the market. Number 10 is start a YouTube channel. You already know YouTube is one of the biggest platforms out there. And in 2025, the opportunity for content creators will only grow bigger. While you are sharing tutorials, entertainment, or educational content like which I'm doing now, YouTube is a great way to build personal brand, make money through ads, sponsorship, and even merchandise. As a student, it's one of the best ways to leverage your passion, knowledge, creativity to build a high income skill. So there you have it, 10 high income skills for students to learn in 2025. If you are interested in digital marketing, content creation, web design, coding, these skills will surely open doors for you to make money, create opportunities, and build a career that sets you up for success. The best part is that you don't need to wait until after graduation to start learning these skills today. You can start now, and in 6 months' time, you're already getting paid in less than 6 months. Yes, in 2025, you'll really be ahead of the game. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to share it.